Welcome to Naples Boat Rentals at Port of the Islands Marina, where it's all about the experience.
Hey, we're Andy and Leslie from West Palm Beach, Florida, and we're just in from a fantastic voyage, Naples Boat Rentals at Port of the Islands. And we spent the morning on the boat rental. Fantastic service.
Port of the Isles, best place to rent a boat, jet ski. You get to see manatees. You get to see it's so much to discover. You don't have to go all the way where it's crowded to Naples. Just come here. It's the best vacation. You get nice solitude. You get a flavor of the Keys. It's beautiful.
Book the whole day. We only went for half. The whole day is what we recommend. Fabulous time. Mike was gracious, good on his directions, his timing. Everything went well. Boat was fantastic. We're coming back.
Keys, it's beautiful. God, we highly advise it. We're coming back.
It's all about the experience here at Naples Boat Rentals at Port of the Islands Marina in Naples, Florida. Book today, 239-961-2473.